Good morning and welcome to today's vlog. We have a field trip today with my girls, Mommy and Me preschool through the Armed Services YMCA, and they are taking us to go see monster trucks and we're really excited. If you don't know already, we live in Virginia, so we will be actually traveling to the next state over, North Carolina, which is about an hour away. So I'm up early, like clearly look very tired. I stayed up pretty late doing some homework assignments last night. Oh good, I think I actually hear my girls waking up. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and prep out some lunch and snack items for my girls, just because I just know with this mini road trip they're going to be hungry and need things in the car, because I am going solo. My husband couldn't get out of work. My husband is active duty military and unfortunately couldn't take today off, so we will be going solo. So I'm gonna bring you along with me, show you how our day is gonna go. We weren't able to get tickets last year and we really were missing out because it looked like so much fun. So we got tickets this year, fully funded by the program, and we are so excited. So if you're new here and you've never seen my face before, my name is Keyshawn and I'm a military wife and mom to 2 girls. And if you like vlogs like this, mom style vlogs, cleaning and cooking videos, then go ahead and make sure that you subscribe. I'm on the road to 1,000 subscribers. I'm so excited because we are so close and this has just been so fun. I love making these videos and keeping these memories. So definitely, if you want to follow along on this journey, make sure to subscribe so I can see you next time. Their sandwiches are made. I made one extra one for myself. I got them 2 lunch boxes at the fridge. And I just need to prep up the grapes. Two fruit pouches, some veggie straws, and some goldfish. That should be enough between like lunch and snacks in the car. So I cut my grapes. And our oranges. this like cooler bag. Michaela. Good job. Tongue? Just gonna like fluff her curls. Sneakers, please. Yeah, because you're going on a monster truck. Excuse me. Yeah, you're going on a monster truck, so you're gonna need your shoes not to fall off. Come here. Here. Michaela? Ready to go? Mm-hmm. All right. Got here to the monster trucks. We're listening to the monster truck song by Blippi. Yeah. You guys so excited? Yes.
I'm super excited.
What about you, Maymay? Yeah. Okay, we just got here. I was able to like listen to my criminal justice lecture for one of my classes, so it worked out. But we're gonna go get checked in, and we are so excited. The tickets when it's time. Okay, wait, slowly. Oh, go ahead. You want to sit next to the driver? Whoa, we're in a monster truck. Go ahead, baby. Where do you want to sit? Scoot down. Nice and safe? Yes, girl. Nice and safe. All right, everybody. My name is Cheyenne. I'm going to be your guys' driver today. You guys excited as I am.
Joey, Joey. Nuri, Nuri, Joey, Joey. Nuri, Nuri. Whoa, that's a rooster. Look at the little pretend ones for kids. I think they let kids ride it sometimes. A sandbox? Oh, so cool.
Good job.
You gonna help?
What's that?
Do you think it's gonna work?
What are those?
You're so excited. You're so excited. Woohoo! Let me see. Shake it, shake it, shake it. What did you find? Oh, stop. Slow down, slow down. Did you find? Yeah. Ready? Seesaw, seesaw. Big monster truck over here. Look at me, it's a monster truck.